Many anam Ghana for me chacha obi biara wo hwɛ me. Me gidi sɛ ɔbɔ ade adom enti obia ɛyɛ okay. Ɛna nwumre ya san transe ye ba besua de kakra. Ɛna de sua ba be nyina no ɛda ɛfɛ ne sɛn infoni ana images bi so. Sɛ da de bi ɛka kyɛ mo sɛ kasa bi ɛhyehyɛ images na se ɛwɔ internet no so bia no news na wo hu Facebook ne social media ni nyina no ɛyɛ news a ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ asase na wote so no. Na kasa na news no egina so no ɛyɛ kasa bia ɛho behia sɛ wobɛte ase. Ɛno nti na yɛso yɛde yɛmre sɛ yɛne mu ɛba be kyerɛkyerɛ saa news na se kasa na ɛda saa news na se no yɛba be kyerɛkyerɛ ase anase ɛne mu ba besua ho adeɛ na sɛ de ka kyerɛ mo sɛ anase gusu ka mo sɛ Ghana yɛhia yɛ kasa papa bi yɛhia yɛ kasa papa bi ɛbɛma obi ho atɔ no ɛne nnada asɛm bi ɛhyehyɛ kasa bi ase no nso wonya konya ayɛ observations me dem no sɛ musumu enyansafo we all came with a certain knowledge bi was asase so but oda wo ma me yemu no you were tempered me kan say min kan say sa e friends certain knowledge na wo dey ba no yes say wo ma me yemu komfa no omfa so say sa certain knowledge say wo ma me wi mo janam bi go so e ma wo ma me yemu no da ma me dini eno na wo so di enti ebe ku be ko go say wo be nya ba asase so no certain knowledge bi anka wo hia so wo ba bebo bra no you will not come and get it. Enti woni ye nyina ne Africa Ghana fo ye ne nyina no enya hwintie o eye samoja nam na ya corrupt your system tama ye wo ye ma me yem nyina no ena ma ene ye ne nyina ye asesa enti hu benya sɛ ye no ma yate ase na ye se ye no ba besua ho ade no mo so be observations na mo so mate ase sɛ ye benya sa akasa na me ne mo e ba besua ho ade no eye kasa bi a eye connected to so eye kasa bi a wonim anasa wote anasa wotimi ka na so hu no krada wote abede efege but bisa wo sɛ wo hu da na etisen uka abeda unti siwo yaba besua kasa bebrebe ho ade ene yeso ne nemu na ekopie kasa bi so abroni fe no diaspora ana se diasporans munyina mutibi ana mohu bi e o news nim bebrebe na kwa be na broni fa so nya sa kasa ne mai e da news bi so a e friends e papa ekufu ado e ka kyereye enti e be kwa kosua ho ade nya kasa tintin bi ana se nya kasa bi a me kasa em se ba be se mbre wo ho e kasa tietie bi nti edu so image no so a na so nya konya de ate ase mesi act ni nyina ye hunu bia no kasa kuremu ena act na da ye nim so a eba no eye kasa na de ba enti ye se kasa na eba owi ase a eye kasa na be se asase na ete so no what you say enti won be hia se ye betwe ye won fi kasa boni bia e ha ye kasa bia kasa boni a eye english spell na ye wo mu no enye ye kasa what you say eye kasa boni ma yen enti eno na be ma ye ho akire yen e den na wo bibini utimi trobroni kasa e ma no ye dwuma ma wo wabra broni no ontro kasa ontro budin what you say onyusu kasa mfa anya hwe enti kasa bia deda ho se what you say bia no ye no ba besua ho ade na se de bia cheche kasa bia se amko yo observations amum se de tie no ebi deda ho a ye be kan ne bo so chena na koy proof ebi wo ho a ya candidate ene e ba be proof ebi wo so be hu ne echine bi ebesi ama wo hu enti makasa no nye tenten mam ye ba besua ade news na ye hu o Facebook nyina no kasa na hya se nyina wo benya so beti ase me emfe nyagro eno ma na eba ha be ka kyerɛ wo nyina no emfe bi nyagro what I say serious fan na ka kyerɛ ni bresem na ka kyerɛ wo no esu to dwene kasa no na no nu ebi nka ho asem ebesi life and at this time no some part of Accra will be affected with that act na ye no war no dirty wave no ededa ha ebe hunu bi ye mpani fa starting use sa kasa no bi but ye nyina ya de ya deda say ye ni ebie but oboa ya deda what I say onte kasa na se de wada enti mi ba be kenyawo na nso wadwene ho na ne afa dwene na nso akabia tro bi ye be so abede no ha de yimi nim abede anka me no ma betena ha. If I have been able to identify the problem, I have to bring the solution. Otherwise, no one identify problem now. What are you doing? What I said, I don't think I'm about out. Some many baby so na yaso ye hunu dia koso. Enti na baby so ade kakra ewo e fa ne sen news da Facebook and as internet social media no so. Na so gonya konya ate enema ase. Enti man so ade. SHS is a systematic distraction of our children. And if free SHS and a systematic distraction of our children are, then the money distraction, then the money distraction. And yes, I free in Tiao, because Casa school, we don't, kind of school, and yes, I net Tiawa Ghana. And if you know a bay Yamayan, ye kind of school, I call a hand, and ye kind of school, no more Chinese for no colano. That is the kind of school. You can't say your course at school now Ghana. And what we go through or what our children go through is schooling. Kasaninja schooling sana hunu sano is schooling. So watch the observe the acts. If they tell you it is schooling, will you go and pay the fees? No. So they will tell you it is schooling. So you think when you are going to school, you are doing something. At the end of the day, unemployment will welcome you. What I said, the job you do is unemployment. Until they screw you. We actually act and said they are in Colano Bebre, schools and our classes. $600 billion in reparations. Because when Becca will say, a Becca say be a better forever and ever. What I said, there be before so, where reparation for war, where reparation, ye must be once a war, see, I am a casa when we do code credit. Untem teaches a cotive and Amakasana yet in Tamau. So this morning, Air Force up Casaway. What I say, and to someone saying 600 billion when intimate solve poverty of Africa. Ghana alone, $600 billion, a bit solve poverty, but we never solve poverty now. Fakori, Akokana mana, Oko Coast on Akoko Bistra and Abbey Guy mana. Omonye, and somebody say, who I will say, our body, and Yen I body and so be about Sakoko cra, Miti, I can kill for a chicken. What I say, meet me cool for Akoko, me not be disturbed Akoko, I can kill you for that Akoko to survive. She won't take us a bia, so when you so much team near you, Casana Mitchell sanity. You cried your more justice, your modiano, and 600 no for Felicitas as support in reparation for war. Because I mean, Samra or Honkra, and to also crochet teachings nibi. CJ Bigaman, who teaches now Koshamayan, Yan Sikau, ye free, young Koyan John 1 CD. And to go your castle could be an answer of Kakohena in his Kibia and Debbie says, can you hear? Language is money, language is a word, interwoman Muscano, they have language, Bia or Mato, Amomuska. To encommand Yamasa, Yamasa the cranemy. CJ Bigaman joins Rick Ross on Dirty Rave. Where Dirty Wave, 133, 6, 3 plus 3 plus 6. You see, Hit VB back Africa. Hit VB back Africa, my Bekunkunko, 33. Well, Casatrega or Becasatremo, but Mada. And I'm Mudiach and Amoya Gaga, just said Amuna Monia Bia, Mukramada doesn't be a 3 plus 3 plus 6. Yeah, almost 6 and air deaf, Mayan, Yajatum said deaf, but yeah, Africa, Bibini, or 6 air supports. And to recross so you be a sen cover support you with some information, but Abrafona to some information if you know Moniska. What I sent hit in a background or they travel no hits 33 plus 6. Deaf, your baby would move with the moon water after Mumbi. A bet to have a back clear life. And to CJ no so I'm introducing on CJ and yet didn't get well. Do you know that to know who enter recross? Me can say Osho Casino. CJ or the CJ na tuno so easy. Sinu kranyama ya magana nyesem ketwa. Je nukra is serious. Ento anonso odise say ye de ne kire. What I say? Enti we dirty wave. Obabe my bye bonny onimpa. What I say? Omo Jimmy for we mu nyina, omo Jimmy for forget omo nim de omo ye, omo de adwin di agro. What I say? Ye nim de ya body na say na enye adwin na dey say body o. Abrofo na be da na say body. And you can capitalize on that against us. Year of return, homecoming, American rapper, superstar Akon. Who say Akon? What on home abrofo no enti onye Akon, Akon. Nko bibi ni esenka ada ne so. What I say? But also oy American ni ti say na da ne so. Hwe o te kasa aboa, why say spirit. Last in Ghana, that's our back Ghana. What I say, oh, Bibini, but we eat no free before me. We say we disconnected. A warm bass as subium. Me na me catch a warm mass as subium. Where Muhammad said they are rich. Yes, they are rich, but they are not rich in wealth like you see them. And yes, you come on we are rich. When you know Muhammad some we are rich now, they are rich in some knowledge. Be a uni. What I say? They are rich in some knowledge, and they're rich. They themselves, they know they are not rich in money because they know. But they know they are rich in some knowledge. John Mahama has paid his boys to keep Accra dirty. Chairman won't to me na kasa achire. Dirty be a pie wa ha. None of them here. Me dem can be achire mo. E mamu hu se me nyo bi nim. Me nyo mo ma kan ti mu ntie dia me ka achire mo no. What I say? Omo muntimi kan okra bi ankyere mo. Omo akọ gigi scafe abrofo no nto muntimi kan okra bi ankyere mo. Ya sa dirty bi pie wa ha. E fa omo ya sa muti brofo bi ama na omo di brofo sisi Ghana for so. Dirty rave na bi ni o. Accra e fin dida. E de na John Mahama sa ko tu akase mbe Accra fin. E fin be no person ka kire wa ha. Make Africa the place for investment. Akufo-Addo to diaspora returnees. Your homecomers, Kasa in your diaspora, where you die. Us, 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 die us, Kunyen. Paul, Paul. Kodi police, any Paul, Edia, Paul. Enter police for police for one mukuta tuo. You have to hold stick, wood. You don't need guns. Ese mukuta point, where kodi police, Paul. And away run. Enter me description, me yano, diaspora and Samamo. A rounds, Sada new drew a mobile Dani, Emrica Tono, and Mokodasha rounds in him. So there will be a lot of running that day. And poor Bedimochi, a 20 police in the idea. And you die aspirants, returnees. What I say? And the Casawe no me person me no can was a million Ghana for Casawe da Ghana. Casawe da Ghana, Muheni ye. Returnees on mobile idea, or more de Kankuya da, or more queer ya dream mudida. What I say? Woman returnees nibi, or more queer ya dream, or more wiki ya dream da, a man can Caribbean che, woman me Ghana for, and Komoma, I don't know, business, I don't know Nigeria. I don't know Munko Benin, I don't know Munko Rwanda near the idea Ghana no Mun no moba bisa unim se woman na Ghana for afa de unhunu bi. What I say omodo mo na betiati asase no so they are coming to step foot on the soil, they are coming to perform rituals and go back. And to wo do adwin di agro bia no firi ha wo kwa ko hunu no kre. Wo kwa ko hunu no kre bia kire se saafo we nyina de wadwin abedi agro. But you can't revenge because ibedu on ebe show unya nka ba be revenge, but you can't come because no obebo abode ho ban with that intention. Una we hunu nyansa na akoye. What I say, entimi na no Ghana for my mani na ho. Omu nyina Ghana na ye omu ba adenti na Ghana. 3 policemen rebuild their own police station. Ghanaians react. 3 police, 3 tree of life. Police for being so hunu nyansa bi ompo so mbo abode ho ban. What I say? Omuso mo hu secret, omuso mo hu no kre bia so omuso mo nso motima ba abode ho ban. Enti mo observe sa police station no. De ba be koso ho act no. E ba mo de omba be keka. Enti mo observe de be koso next. Parliament to purchase bulletproof glass curtains to protect Uganda no te ho hwede ade usikeye. What I say, woman, and no person come bear so. Now some be cancer some chose jamit you abed you mataka tom some more dream yeduma. And almost someone who could do hands and a moon who sound no creno. And now so your youth, who could do one someone who no crave into me, mamma, because what home knowledge and I'm a woman. And what one I do, sick, yes, sir. Yet the baby, you mamma, she cannot would be sounds a pain, then I'd be Miss Africa, Ghana, we are richer than the world. Yeah, senka ye dane sorry time aye pe o. Ejuma de mo nkranfo no, mo nkranfo so mo pe ejuma. Omoda no ma sorry time pe no mo bo dam nya de ade no. Nkranfo na live the real life, African life no. They are living it. Ya nya say me brain munye ejuma. There was enough. Na bebre was there still enough. What I say? Ye den senka ye obo ade do baby senka ye be relax. Omo no senka mo ye ni ma bre na enjoy. And to be sound then, you need bulletproof curtains to protect MPs. What is coming? Almost says that town, a bimu, someone say, you soon be in a cocodo, boys, and I say you to Mubimu, and your man Banum, a bumbo fu, and move Mrs. almost so, Uncle do on a bulletproof glass bishop. What I say, who do on a bulletproof glass bishop, won't mean every ho. And to me, I'm gonna for Mumenya Mojana, Mumenja Bodena, yes, no, name can't champion for Cecia, the Atia, say, and Sabody, Mudamumia, you mamma, you didn't first can in Sabody, and no more than they basi. What I say, but you have to see something that will tell you that. And you say, Ubekan Sakake. John Mahama sold Ghana to foreigners under his regime. Under his regime, where a registered time. What I say? Time or no bamu or no bus at time no. We better register and name be at work. Makatom says, first Mahama time. And I name be CCC. Ya the neighbor. Into the time and I'm not be CCC. Next say, or no time no yours or register as any man united at 2 ho. What I say? Into Canada Japan e kasa. Mi so metu no or ya bo wo.
What I say, or Tekasase, but Nidian say, Senkamini, ye share ewo spirit moi, I have to be able to swallow, and the Akachamos or will be swallow, bino. Ukutano cry, it has to show, it has to prove. Intimity, Makachamo, say, a banner say, as I said to you, because me kind of crutchamunity, in penny fetch kumia, I will prove it to you, don't worry about me. What I say, and ya catch us or wobbing me or your Bible, and you be a wax you, no cry was and say, if you have the truth, it has to prove, no matter who you meet. And this mission was spirit, Munamina Mikitano cry, some to me minino. Some mention of Kitatron on Kitano cry, so to me minimi. And you had your bet me will be me free about me, question, but prove. No one can a Japono di Mercano, Bumi di Midinetio, Mudam be. This one your attempt to no moti ya kasa na se ya kasa na humility wo mi na me bro mo ase mo de mo mam fa kasa no nkonwie akwankyere bi ada ho bia I'll do it rules bi ada ho bia I'll expose this to you manya ne sa na me nya hwe ma o ese me mo rules ada ho bia China fo nyina wo mo de what you say John Dumelo builds his body ahead of election 2020 with area boys. Yes, we are building the body and any body say macho when our build you. What you say? If he builds his body, and gym normal patre, what pep boys be? What you say? Arrange boys be ahead. Then you know who arrange boys ahead of 2020. Me say, a be happy life for Ghana. I'm gonna be five voting because you're troving. And you won't be able to see be an omode fabi kase be a young choroso. They cannot come on a unique and a perfect identity against you. They can't do that. Omunim sakasa na mkawasem de no. De na twa munya omunim sakasa na omu Jimmy Force afọ no nyina mo de omu ntom bo. Me pese me chewo ade na wi ansa tinyama se ansa. Church beat up their pastor after he bought a Range Rover, demanded their refund. Hwe wo ma shada de beto onim na uko holu pastor obema ne bodyguards aboa ma osigonjon peace na bebubu o kama won finyi na bebubu enkonko yesa what I say enkonko kasa o sofo agi usika bi ntu kwa confusion ginetire use the language, understand the language. What you say, protect yourself. When I say hunu wanye bi aboro so sofo no hunu say sabode wanye bi aboro so enti so gibi free usem enye sa na o de be sabode mo enti de mo mo ma ho kire ye no ya ye kodwuma enema na ye totone na ya tetetete so. An innocent prisoner receives $1 million for 39 years in prison. Innocent. Yantro kasa wenti om de sini so we o ofa. Wa o hweme wo ofa nie. O papa nie, unua bema nie. What you say? We abrofo no munim sa we mo illegal aliens. O munim sa. What you say nti broni bia don yonko broni. Enti wo bibini bia sen ka don yonko bibini. Enti ehwe figures bia wa high 3 plus 9 be ma 12, 1 plus 2 be ma 3. They omo no mo yesa. They are representing that third degree. Enti bisa say dem no mo yakwa we mo na ko sheje for sad number of years no. Eno mo de ne ba no omo ma no 1 million because you catch say innocent obi a onim bibia ho hwe. Enti na so mo sabe man foundation. Omo remand ne so ya bode. Enti dia che say omo remand ne foundation. Any say sika we any say aha unya 3 aha unya 1 o ade a obenya 4 a foundation and na osan ya body and the tree of life any serpent knowledge no wa pick free ha dollar sign na wa ha no a tree of life and the serpent. What I say the only creatures in us obo ade ye ba asase so na obo ade no mo tia asase sansa na body bia ba the serpent and the tree of life. Florida sheriff: blacks should learn to act like white people in order to stay alive. Makacho said, before we will not come back to life again. Because we have given up on our language. Our mother tongue will not. We have given up on that mother tongue. So how are we to do better? What I say? So we can never act like the whites if we don't have any recognition. If you don't have anything that tells us to behave right. They all have recognition. What I say, recognition, so they know they do the right things. And on your national the right things in the crana, we know majority carries the vote. We know majority wins. Into Africa and Ghana, the majority or the minority. UK police, where a bombshell, UK police to storm Mokbes church over his fraud. Then Tom yes and say, Mrason, Omoko free and one. Sana mekano ye nyina ye mo o. What I say te ase sa na bre ho ase ye nyina ye mo because you help the animals, so you help bo bia, and as if you help animal, the about twi mu dey saying ye ho professor mododo nti ye nyina ye disconnect ye ho. UK police to stomach the dada who say ye call a foundation into almost 30% mo say sorry. What I say omo sa person na ye num nyanwa no mankasa mo din so no sorry dey echi na sa sofo na echi no omo de that to the extent say nsem na ye keka for sofo no nyina no they don't want to listen. What I say enti we nyina akọ say afa na ye be call a foundation ti omo storm sa sorry no say ba obetimi free enipa na ewo mu no. What I say maybe beba so free omo no so omo ba mo nya bia ire akunkum because kasa bia bonifa na war is ahead. Slavery reparations. Most are say PM ha. Me see where reparation for slavery reparation. Esa baso life into bia be person be jihu sika. Met me ni be bia me de kasa we. Metro kasa bia kwa me so ye be ma me kasa bia gina so na ye tia meka. I know all those things. What I say, me bia me de me letter be ko. Me course bia me ye. Me nim kasa bia me de beto ho na ye ma me hu sika. Into where 17 trillion. 1 plus 7 be ma 8. 8 ejina homa the creator, Brony, God, eternity. What you say? Entity 8 ejam enti say sika no omu dia shobo ade ni onyam. What I say? They do that for the creator. They know. This is not something I mean me nyash we when nya dey sen kam kasa modi we see Ghana for and I say before. What I say? Because I'm go do ho wi ansa no mo hu enu ntia. By the asase yon kokra ye be stay back. Enta enye bi ka twen so ekoyanka yan ebi yanka ntimi anka no kra na nkyerem. Year of return. Omu nyina omu sorry na omu ba Africa wo, omu ba Ghana wo. Black Panther star Lupita Nyong'o mi de dinia na mo de mo amohudia mo try. Spotted in Ghana. Nyina da na Ghana. O Ghana asase na atese makacho say it is a great land. What I say? Obo de need da sukra more. Ha na the holy land no. What say no de bia na otwa moja gu fom. O sa asase na atese no. What I say? Enta na nyina Ghana. Makacho say Ghana is great. Ghana is the eyes to Africa, even to the world. Ghana in US nyina eni. If US nyina eni Ghana me catch Ghana is the eye to the world. Don't tell say no, omo be bisa me de ntia, and they know. Enti Ghana asase na ate so no who say you are on a powerful land. Honorable Aponche buys brand new V8, Virgin 8. Onozo hu kakra, hu some small knowledge bi. Njo so no so oye wa no fam, and all the ote ho. V8 for just 25. When I just use serpent knowledge, 2 plus 5 más 7. Serpent knowledge, so what I say, and the 7 we would count 8 unya 15. 1 plus 5, unya 6. Support, some knowledge and support man, I said, you call GV8. Yeah, can GV8, you almost cast now, you send GB, where you cast next to Samaye. What I say, Papa Nanka send this is the man who can say this is the man of the moment. You need to prove, not just say he's the man of the moment. Ojina kasa so osho English in M1 enti also cause Swahili, but nka oy abed the man nka abed na dano so. What I say enti ehwe kasa we I say I have played my part, not contesting again. Ote brofo edo Master Crown fan ho. What I say, what bro for there? Mampa minim kakra. What bro for there? Pokigami, kasa contesting. Macho say con nada. Testing in social. And one who yempenyi for no say they are abrofon discard da omo no. It just come on. They lie to them and they test them. Na yempenyi for faili. Oh no, also on cause not contesting. You can't contest me. Don't mean nada. Don't mean something here on nademu. You understand me? Don't mean something here on nademu. Again. What I say? Until go jina. I find say as not to so this Swahili phone so asasia. They pay tax to Swahili for using their language to develop their country. But Ghana and Kayen tax mobia, we have our own language. So imagine how rich I will be. Me so be no bedjuma Ghana. Obedjuma pena be unfoso. Uti wasan kanya mobile money go the credit card I send Kadebia Sikaka Soma Ugana ni. I know what I'm saying. I know what obo jina homo ba. Who dey show oba or make us obo dey na so ba ni. Uye aduani bia you make sure your children eat. You now make sure some make didi ye. What you say? We simple ye kasa na wisdom ya mamre na nyansa. Enye kasa bebre nyansa. Utra mother tongue, you have to eat and be satisfied. And to mommy making sure so you have me see never do asasi so you nyan discover yet. You haven't seen it yet because you assess your identity na ba ya corrupt ye ho. Enti never do okra ye nyan hunu ye. Sika bebrebe na yete so ha. Enti say ye peke ye kasa na yete asese yensa bode be na ye protect mo bia wa asasi so wa Ghana. Obi beda so re hu se bibi hye bebi e so ye kotu ye nkonkotu no na ye bibi e be masika e wo sa kru no so. Obi beda so no aso da ye say no something is here they'll go and that thing is there. Na wo ho de dada. Ye be wi mojanam no ne adade no na eche se na wo yensama hunu se enema wa asase so. Ne mfa generate sika ma na sika na fa se abode wo ma me obesa. No. And if you are writing your mother tongue, your mother will make sure you are satisfied, you eat well. Intermekacham say Ghana, you be live well with our language, with our identity. You be live well with our bed, who be toying. Abed and what da? And he said, I'll tell you, son, about who until that I made a brown abacasa me bedada. What did then say, yes, I will be hunu. Well, last, I wish Rasso, Mamma Broach and Miss Abacacham Mubium. Munka. Munya ye kabi wa na ofese ye di agodom de besi usu no be kai me enso na it too late. What I say we akala o kankofo no hu bi wa hye na wa hye atare we say we ya Roman fo no e de sa de no epetepete ye so e wa sori dem sa enti we su sa represent we ba be fani pankwa enti o mu hira etuo no so. What I say enti we a small boy onukra on say wa hye uniform dan be do hye black esisi mo so. Unim no class ada no unim no eso fawo makacha uti abrochi no nyesika asani befia umma warning bia wo ho omunim sa ne mani nyina enunti they will kill you for that uti abrochi na bibini na hwem ya you are not safe. Africa krana munye safe me dem se me nka ho bio sa diaspora so na me kana mo ba betu no me man kan cheni me nka ho bio hwe omo so munim me nka ho bi dabi hwe mo bodam kra mo yale me nka ho bi timi kabi na nso wonya ho asumdwe enti kambi che onua waja se na da ni do ai besua ho ade enche bi abede na besua ho ade se de hu sa na tie we testing so because we are kani e so you have to see something enti se de tie bia no ye ni mu wie e be sa na matena se enti kambi che onua na also observations na say oye what I say observations na say oye ensem no onya akola yenim se mpanyimfo bi hwe yenim se munye nkwala yentima bedada mo what I say we know you are paying attention your data is attention even wadwendwene kwa we free baby da beto me so kwa wutie me kra no you are paying attention so me ma say attention na we pay ama me no what I say enti kebi tro bi na yenyina yembo ama Ghana enya baby pam bia de mba be Ghana de ehu de ba be sisi o Ghana de ehu what I say ehu enti me mo nkasa enti me de kasa na besia na emre be mu a ya sanso ene mu atenase ene enti me da obi bia ase